Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hello everyone, Happy New Year. I hope everyone is fine and well today. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Her Moonlight, chapter 23. So here it is. Let's read the story. After the conversation, after having a conversation with Fushiyu, and Gu Singing was looking at hers. Well, this too. Suddenly, her phone is ringing. Who could it be? It was really late night. Now, who is the person who's calling her? When Gu Singing was looking on the phone, turns out it was Shalan. I see you at the cafe in the mall near your home tomorrow. There's no need. It's a very important matter. 4 years ago. So it turns out that you want to confess on her on what's happening on that time. Well, definitely, it was really a trick for her. But can she really fall for this? Well, knowing that Go Singing, she must really curious on what she's going to do. It's Rian's things a year ago. Well, see you tomorrow. Go Singing said to Shalan. Oh, this thing, let's hope that this is not a trap made by Shalan for Guan Sing, right? Now, it was next day, early in the morning. Looking at Fushiyu, she seems to be happy. Well, she was looking in the mirror, although she was still sleepy, but thinking that it's happening last night, but suddenly was Go Singing moved closer to her. When I go out, you are not allowed to practice dancing in the private and at home alone. Go Singing said to her. Well, she know to herself that it was Fushiyu. She will continue to do things even though it was really forbidden. Okay, my legs are already healed and Xiao Yunxi will come to accompany me for a while. So it turns out her friend are really coming through. Let's see. It seems that she was really in the mood. Of course, it was Gu Singing. She looks really worried about her. She knows that he will not listen to her at this moment. Looking at Fushiyu, she is always tricking her. But of course, right now, Fushiyu told her, come on. But she is letting Go Singing to go first. Go back quickly. After the meeting, well, it turns out someone is knocking on the door. Hi beauty, do you have appointment today? Finally, Xiao Yunxi already arrived. Looking at her, she bring a lot of snacks and drink. Well, these two, they're really going on snacking. Wuxiu said to her, come on. Now, Xiao Yunxi, she seems to be happy. Well, definitely, the two of them are really best friends. Of course, they need to update each other. This is a vitamin C, this is calcium tablets, milk, all rich in sun spoons. So it turns out her friend really gave her something. Well, definitely, she got really worried about her injury. Sister, it is really not needed. I am alright. Fushio said to Xiao Yunxi. Oh, now, she really want to decline the help. Of course, Xiao Yunxi, it hurts. For 100 days, you must protect yourself even if you are dancing. Okay, I'll eat. Fushiyu said to her. Oh, it really makes sense, right? Turns out her sister is really getting angry on hers. The Sophronator, I will go out and have a lunch. At the time, I will invite you. Oh, I sense something wrong with this. We're going to eat lunch. And also, Gu Singing was also out there. Well, can they really meet? Let's see on what's gonna happen. Or let me please, after all, you're home. Not to my sister, we are not too poor to eat meals. Oh, this girl. She's really getting tricky. And also, she become boastful. Well, today, Miss Pooh pays the bills and walks. Oh, it turns out she's really going to allow her sister to pay the meal for her. Well, it's look like they're really a long talk for the two of them. Seriously, why are you careless this time? But the injury is slight. Now, it really makes sense. Her friend is really right. On the other hand, she was lucky that it was only a sprain, not an injury. She can still able to dance after a few months. What time? Didn't I tell you that Shalan was coming to Harcheng and I didn't sleep all night? You really are like myself. Xiao Yunxi said to hers. Well, this girl, she is also tricky, right? Also a domineering person, looking at herself. She has a lot of self-esteem, right? Ah, don't scold me. I don't want that kind of thing either. Shalan is really amazing. Oh, it turns out, during these times, she can really boastful. Now, you are in love. It is not forbidden. No matter how good Shalan dances, what can she do? You can go to the dance room first and all your efforts and hard work will bear a fruit. So it turns out her friend, she is really good at advising. But she is not only dance well, she is still genius, mature, beautiful, and so she really got confused about herself that compared to Shalan, she is having trouble with. Shang Yusi said, so your sister will choose you. It means that she doesn't like Shannon's type. Well, she was right. She's the only one who chose by Gu singing. And it really makes sense, but their imagination is really getting high. In her mind, it was Gu singing and Shallan has been together, but it really makes sense, right? Looking at this girl, their imagination is really too big. How Shan Yusi said, freak it off. This is too much, right? Of course, look at her face. She seems to be getting jealous. Let's see on what will happen. It seems that forget in the middle, forget back, forget in short, you should relax. Your senior is not Xiao Mu. Well, speaking of it, what happened to Xiao Mu? Fu Shiyu was asking Xiao Yunzi. Well, for them, it's like a harmful Neptune. Still, the two of them, instead of eating, they're really liking to talk a lot. Why, it is the seeking. I look at Xiaomu and her. It is not that much. Fushiyu said to her friend. Well, this thing, it was really confusing for her, right? But it's rare to see her teasing other but beautiful sister. The sea is full of fish. Oh, it turns out, her friend, she likes someone. Of course, it is not getting back on her. That's why, look at her. For Shiyu, she's trying to call her friend. Wang Wang. Wait. Well, this time, what could be wrong? Why suddenly, she was calling her friend. Xiao Yu, do you see that? Is this your senior sister? So it turns out, they really been caught. The other side of the restaurant, it can be seen that it was Gu singing, Shalan having a coffee together. Well, look at them. They really look serious. On the other hand, well, is she really getting serious about this? Is she really getting jealous for this? Senior sister and Shalan looking at her face like her word is really turned around on hers. Well, maybe she really confused that what's going on and why suddenly Shalan and Go singing will meet up on the restaurant. Let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!